Guys, it's me and Liz here. It's day 3 of Outside Lands. We're running really late. We're running in the streets we're supposed to be there at 11:30 to work. Actually 11:15 to check in, but it's like 11:40 something, and we're not even through the gates. We barely found parking. Help us. We made it in. We are working the Sutro stage and Gastro Magic. What's up, everyone? It is now 5 o'clock.
Just doing a little stretch.
Doing some stretches. Me and Liz are about to finish our last day of working here at Outside Lands. So it's pretty late. We're gonna have nighttime off. So we have until 5:30 and then we'll get back to you. We'll get back to you guys then. Just finished checking out here at the volunteer check-in. And we are now ready. Yeah, day 3. We are out. Just finished working our last shift, and it's now time to enjoy day 3.
I
have not yet. I'm signing to provide medicine for cancer patients.
It's called the shelter program.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.